Hear that humming sound when you're driving? It gets louder the faster you go, and sometimes it changes pitch when you turn. Annoying, right? But more than just annoying. It could be a serious warning sign from your car. That humming, roaring, or growling noise is a classic symptom of a bad wheel bearing. Think of a wheel bearing as the part that lets your wheels spin smoothly and freely. Then, when it starts to fail, it creates friction. And that friction creates that noise you're hearing. Ignoring it is a bad idea. A completely failed wheel bearing can cause your wheel to wobble or even come off while you're re-driving. Yikes. So, if your car is making that humming sound, don't wait. Get it checked out by a professional mechanic right away. It's a matter of safety. For more car tips and tricks, hit that subscribe button. Drive safe.